Hey guys, welcome back to Practical Parenting 101 for our 7th video, which is called The Gift. Okay, so I'm talking today specifically to parents who are separated, divorced, and maybe in a messy situation where they can't contact their child. Sometimes this can be through a thing called parental alienation. So I want to give you a tip of how you can probably do something special for your child while you are unable to contact them. This could be because of court reasons, legal reasons, or just because it's just, a messy situation. And let me just say, coming from the perspective of being a child of divorce, and being in that position where parental alienation affected my life from a third party, so through a step parent, it's just really uncomfortable for kids. And I really hope that if anyone's listening who's actually thinking of going down that path of alienating their child's parent, just think in the best interest of the child, is it really going to help them? So I'm going to give a simple idea that might help you with your child. Okay, shoebox, envelope, pen, paper. Okay, you get a shoebox and you actually write your child's name on this shoebox. Any shoebox, wouldn't matter. You can decorate the shoebox in their favorite color, put their name on it. Okay, then you get your envelope and you write, you'll see here the date, their name, and if it's from nan or pop or mum or dad, whoever's writing the letter, what you do is say once a week, I say to people, look, pick Sundays, the end of the week, you write about your week to your child, how it's been, what you've been doing. It's a positive letter. Don't bring up all the messy stuff, the divorce and their other parent and all that stuff. Just talk about your week, how it's been, if it's been up, if it's been down, and maybe just general things. Like you might have seen something like, you might have driven past and you saw like a race car and you're thinking, oh, my son loves race cars, and you might tell him what you saw and say, oh, I saw these awesome cars, thinking of you. If it's your daughter, you might see these beautiful princess dresses or something in a shop and think, oh, thinking of my daughter, and you just talk about it. So this is just a light-hearted way. You get the little letter, you put it in an envelope, and every week you post it to the shoebox, because at the moment you're not maybe allowed to contact them. So that's just another way that you can stay in touch with your child from your heart. And one day I believe you'll be probably back in touch with that child, and they might say to you, I'm not sure if you really cared, I never heard from you, I never got anything from you. You can say, well, I did. I wrote to you the best way I could, and you give them this shoebox. Another simple tip is a $2 box, plastic box from the shop. You can actually once a year buy a gift, or for Christmas, even for birthdays and Christmas. You might put one special gift that reminds you of them in that box, and one day, just store it away. You might be able to present that big box of special gifts for every year, and you just write that year or date, on the present that you're putting in that box, so that every year they see which year that they didn't have with you. So that's a simple tip. It helps you, lightens the load, because I know it's a really tough time for parents going through this, but keep your chin up and know that as long as their best interest is at the forefront of your mind, I'm sure one day you'll get to see them, give them these gifts, and they will love you for it. Thanks for listening. Subscribe down the bottom. Way more videos to come. I'm Carla Lee. Tune in soon.